retracing now. New Zealand red zone, dollar green zone. I want to be short. Nice break after this very sideways move. Strong level at structure right at 61%. I'm waiting for this to retrace once it tests. A nice strong candle reversal on the bearish side. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 27 June 2024. Today I will be trading long on the US, the Aussie and the CAD, and short on the pound, the yen and New Zealand. Let's start with the dollar index. Well, still very much bullish yesterday. Short-term bullish, intraday bullish, medium and long-term bullish. Nothing else I can say. It's a roaring bull market at this stage. It's a roaring bull market, but it's looking very, very strong, and I have to stay long on the dollar. Gold paying the price, obviously, with that strong dollar. Closing on a daily, like I said yesterday, on a daily chart below this rising trend line, which is a bit of a tough one. You can see the 4-hour charts. We had the rejection of the levels there, and that's what the point out yesterday. I said, if those that wants to go short, the crazies, yes, you're welcome to short gold. I don't do that as a principle. So we'll see. Obviously, there will be strong support at 22.77. It is also a weekly support level, the previous weekly low. Definitely, we will spot some support coming in there. We're at the round levels, 2300, so we'll see if it bounces from there. Most likely, there will be a retracement back to that area there, which could take you back to roughly 2320. Don't let that fool you to think it's a bull market coming up. The trend is bearish, dollar strong, it's definitely gold bearish. So that might be a bounce or retest for another sell-off. So don't get caught in buying into anything there. It might fly up, there's always that chance. But for me, I stay out because all the indicators shows me that gold wants to come down still further. Bitcoin, as I said yesterday, strong bounce off the level. All the cryptos, we had the strong bounce and immediately it starts to give up. So that shows us very strong profit taking, not long positions being entered into. So for now, I stay outside of this. I've got my long-term positions. I just hold on tight to everything I bought there. A little bit underwater there on the recent buys, but so be it. We are in the consolidation period. I'm waiting for this consolidation to break. Then we will see another big run up the page. So we've got always these consolidations. They can keep going for months on end. You can see here 1, 2, 3 months. Yeah, we're now in 1, 2, 3, 4 months. So yeah, look here, 4 months, 2, 3 months. So they can stay there, but then after that, we usually get the explosive moves. Usually the golden rule of the sideways market and a very narrow range or anything like that, we get explosive moves. So I am still very bullish. I'm not worried a bit. I just see Bitcoin at a discount. All I want to see is this trend line breakout for the short term to see, all right, we've got potential, and then that to turn blue, and then I'll be back bullish. Euro Australian dollar, we got the short up there on Monday, and we've got a first target. Now it retraced last night again. We did pull stop loss to entry. If I remove some of this stuff, I have loaded targets on yesterday's video, so please have a look there. But if you look at this here now, if you look at this last direction swing coming down here, see right here at 50-61%, let's call it just the 61% level, their structure, bearish engulfing. So another chance of shorting this. The nice thing about this is that, okay, the stop loss will be up there, it's a cross, so we need about 15 pips plus to spread above that high. So it should be roughly there. The nice thing is that we can write this as a new entry, so we can pull that stop loss also now to this level. Right, so that puts us in the money here now with that plus a new entry. So you can do the halfway marks there. That's always a good entry. You can short again and say, right, you know what, I've got money in the bank there, because this is on average there, depends on where you're getting. You've got about a 30 pip guaranteed profit there, which is not that much, but it's there. And then we can still work with the same targets, because we've got this. You can see here, that's 35, so it's about a 50 pip stop loss. And if you go back down to what we've got here, I think it was the 1.618. I deleted the lines now. You can watch yesterday morning's video. That's another 100 pips coming down on a double position. So very nicely done. So let's see, let's play this. Got guaranteed money on the stop there, and we got a new adding opportunity here, which is now a trade at this moment. You will also see that the euro is neutral, but the Aussie's got all the sparkle, and by shorting this, you stay long on the Aussie. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the Swiss yen, nice triangle, the breakout, the retest happening at this moment. So on a nice strong candle pattern this morning, if it closes nicely above that black candle body there, that'll be a bullish engulfing, and that'll be a long setup for me. You can look here at Swiss neutral zone, but yen bottom of the pile, and that's why I want to be short yen, and going long here will give me the short on the yen. Other than that, we can still look for the retracements. I'm not that keen on that anymore. I'm more into this counter reversal here because we got the bulls proving themselves, the retest and a strong counter reversal. That'll get me to go long. In the Aussie Swiss, also an immediate entry for me this morning. Aussie, you can see here all the sparkle. Swiss neutral, so I'm after the Aussie long. The retest, nice candle, nice strong bounce off here. These small bodies make this, and closing above the halfway mark of the black candle there makes this a morning star, and that's the entry level there with a stop loss down there. Target on this trades would be just purely Fibonacci there, and we can work with the 1.27s and the 1.618 Fibonacci's. That's the two targets I would set. If I look at 1.618, I can see a level coming in there, so I'll just lower that slightly there, and 1.27 also to pick up just this level there. That'll give me a risk of about 30, 35. That's a 1-to-1, so I won't use that one, but look at that one, 50 to 60 pips. So that's definitely a target that I would consider there. If I can get a halfway mark entry, then I can revert to the 1.27 maybe. But nice entry right now for the first trade in the morning. New Zealand US retracing now. New Zealand red zone, dollar green zone. I want to be short. Nice break after this very sideways move. Strong level at structure right at 61%. I'm waiting for this to retrace once it tests. A nice strong counter reversal on the bearish side will get me to short on the New Zealand US. Aussie New Zealand running up very nicely. Aussie green zone, New Zealand red zone. I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 61% fib right at market structure here. You can even go as far as say you want to use that. That's also inside, but this is more recent. So once you get a retest and a nice counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. On the CAT Swiss, CAT green zone, Swiss neutral. I'm after the CAT long, so a retracement back to the 61% level, right at structure here on this last directional swing. That'll get me interested in going long on some candle pattern reversals. US Swiss, nice directional swing. Dollar green zone, Swiss neutral zone, but I want to be long dollar. This is a way of getting long dollar. A retracement back to this previous high at this market structure right at 50 to 61%. If we test that level and I get a good strong counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.